Another blast from the past. We popped into Mintdale Engineering in Chesterfield. Look at this belter. Now, this is a classic blast from the past because it is a Nakamura TMC15. So you're thinking Nakamura probably supplied by ETG? No, you're wrong because, come on Chris, I'm going to work Chris, the cameraman here, Dugard. Now these, Dugard, they used to import these second-hand from Japan. And as a sign of the old Jap from Japan, well, there used to be a robot arm on here before it came over from Japan. And just to confirm, come on Chris, come on, keep up. Japanese labelling on the back there, just to clarify. So now let's have a bit of a look at the machine now itself. Look at this. First of all, the controls, Fanuc OT. Look at that, it's like being in an old cockpit, maybe not of a Spitfire, but a Boeing 737 from this is from 1989. Now let's just go down it quickly. Parts counters, 577 today, working well. Hand wheel will come to that in a minute. Light switch, even I can work that on this one. Now back up, sorry Chris, too. Look at this. This is just an example of the components they manufacture on it. Again, we'll come back to that in a minute. Now here you've got your display. Now parts catcher we saw at 577. This machine is actually made, let me get this right, 2,859,541 parts. Not bad for someone from 1989. But what I want to show you, back in the envelope Chris, and I'll grab my component while we're there. So as you can see, twin spindle, bit of bar there, single turret, 16 tools either side. The only minor downside of this is you can only program 16 tools in total with this control. So there's a minor limitation, but not bad really. Now, Chris, get yourself back in here. Hand wheel, C-axis, am I in the way there? So we're turning that round. Why am I showcasing that? Well, the reason I'm showcasing that, with that indexing round, or indexing, is you've got this turn part here, but it's great for doing these milled flats there. If you can get that, pick that up, Chris. So just on there, just on that, in there, and also the holes in the side, index it round, more holes, through holes there. Great on the C-axis, that's a great example, plus all those other examples there. So another blast from the past, a Nakamura TMC15, supplied originally 1989 by Dugard. I would like to say you have been MTD'd. There we go.